Potato update. I'm going to lift up the last 4 tubs of Charlotte. They're going over quite well, so they can come on out now, and we'll take them in, store them, and also we want some for dinner. Usual thing, take all the hulms off, they can go on the compost heap. And that's how dry it's been. The straw hadn't even rotted this year. So these were planted 27th of the 3rd. I can't remember, 2 spuds I think I put in each one, maybe 4, can't remember. Looking good already. This is looking really very good. And there's the seed potato. Still hard. Still growing. Well, that's looking pretty damn good. I don't know how many's here, quite a few. I've got to go off now and find something to put the old compost in, and then I'll come back and finish the rest off, and we'll see what we got at the end. Container number 2. I used 30 litre buckets, and all this lot were grown in some 5-year-old composted wood chippings, and I just put it through the trommel, get rid of the big stuff. I was told it won't work. You can't grow potatoes like that. Really? See what we got. Better than the supermarket. Look at that. Absolutely loads. I don't know what's there. Quite a bit. I'll do all 4 now, weigh them in individual bags indoors, because the scales is better in there. I missed the 3rd one. This is number 4. He's heavy. One green one, that ain't too bad. Rest of them be alright. I'm going to struggle with this basket. I might just try and find another one quickly, because he's pretty darn full. There it goes then, last one. Actually, there's a good example here. You can see why I bury them in the ground. That's all potato roots that have come out there, gone on down, found their own moisture. That's what keeps them going. There we go. There's some more lovely spuds in here. Look at that. Best one so far, I reckon. And there we go. That is the best one out of the four. Absolutely loads of Charlotte potatoes. This crate's going to fall to pieces. He's that heavy. But I'm pretty sure you can see what we've got there has a damn good result. And now all I've got to do is let them air dry off a little bit. Let them cure before we cook them. The rest of that compost will come off then nice and easy. And then I can store them. And they'll last us for ages. So keep on gardening. That's all I can say.